Girls, are you ready? Right, let's get started. Ready? Our first girl is Miss Alina. She is 6 years old and she's from North Carolina in the United States of America. She's wearing a beautiful baby pink tutu which goes amazingly with her dress, which is very sparkly and pink, my favourite colours. Give it up for Miss Alina! Next up we have Madison. She is 7 years old and she's from California, United States of America. She came today in her beautiful green polka dot dress and she's teamed it up with her amazing pink Barbie tutu, and she's even got some accessories, face paint and some beautiful sandals to match up. Give it up for Miss Madison. Next up we have Lauren. Lauren is 8 years old and she's from Virginia in the United States. She's wearing a beautiful blue dress and she's teamed it up perfectly with that purple tutu. Give it up for Lauren. Next up we have our wild child Lucy. She is 4 years old. Come on, Lucy. And she's from Orlando. She's wearing a beautiful pink dress, teamed up with some white sandals and a Barbie polka dot tutu. Miss Lucy is acting a little shy, but she's usually the life and soul of the party. Blow kisses, Lucy. Give it up for Lucy. Next up we have Isabella. Isabella is 7 years old and she's from Wisconsin in the United States of America. She's wearing a beautiful white dress. She's teamed it up with a pink sparkly Barbie tutu. Isabella loves to pose and she's been amazing on this fashion design and fashion walk. Give it up for Isabella. Next up we have Mara and Morgan. Mara is 8 years old and she's from Washington. And Morgan is 6 years old and she's from California. Mara is wearing a beautiful dress teamed up with a purple tutu and some beautiful silver high heels. And Morgan is wearing a pink dress with a pink tutu and some black heels. Next up we have another Lucy. Lucy is 7 years old and she's from Atlanta. She's wearing a super cool piece top and she's teamed it up with that Barbie polka dot tutu. And she's got some beautiful beads in her hair. Lucy. Next up we have Lauren. Lauren is 6 and she's from Kentucky. She's teaming those sparkly leggings up with another sparkly tutu. I'm guessing Lauren loves sparkles. Excellent, give it up for Lauren. Alright, next up we have Millie and Maya. Maya is 9 years old and she's from Indiana. And Millie is 5 years old and she's from Minnesota. Millie also has a lot of sparkles on with that purple sparkle dress. And she's teamed it up with a beautiful pink tutu which matches her Crocs perfectly. Maya has a beautiful flowery dress on and she's teamed it up with a beautiful purple tutu. Let's hear it from Millie and Maya. Okay, next up in our fashion show we have Alicia. Alicia is 6 years old and she's from Palm Beach, Florida. Alicia is super colourful and she's got colourful beads in her hair. She's teamed it up with that pink Barbie polka dot tutu that everyone seems to love. Give it up for Alicia. Next up we have Madison. Madison is 5 years old and she's from New Jersey. Madison has teamed her beautiful blue and pink top up with a pink Barbie tutu with lots of sparkles. Madison loves to do the fashion walk and she's been super cool since day one. What kisses, Madison? Give it up for Madison! Lots of kisses for everyone there. Next up we have Ella and Mia. Just Mia, sorry. Just Mia. Mia is 9 years old and she's from Miami. She's teamed that white top up with that pink tutu perfectly and she's even got a watch to match her top. Amazing. And her sparkly shoes. Give it up for Mia. And last but not least in our Barbie lineup we have Olivia. Olivia is 7 years old and she's also from Miami because she's Mia's sister. She's teamed that yellow top up perfectly with the purple tutu and her silver shoes. She looks super nice. Very nice. Give it up for Olivia. Very welcome. So guys, I'm going to talk to you about our Barbie experience. So it started on day 2 with a tea party. So the girls had a tea party, they got to know each other, they learned some etiquette rules, and they got to eat some super nice pink pastries and super nice pink lemonade. So they all really enjoyed themselves. So I think we are ready for our next fashion walk. You guys are going to be so amazed by this. Are you ready? First up, we've got Alina. She's teamed up her tutu with an amazing pink purple feather boa, some beads and some glasses. She looks amazing. Her favourite colour is pink and when she grows up she wants to be a fashion designer. Everybody give it up for Alina. Next up we have Madison. I'm guessing Madison loves pink because she's got a lot of pink on. And she wants to be a singer and a fashion designer when she grows up. And although she has got a lot of pink on, she says her favourite colour is red. Give it up for Miss Madison, sorry. Next up we have Lauren. Lauren is in grade 2 and when she grows up, she wants to be a teacher. I think the students will be so lucky to have Lauren as a teacher. She's teamed up everything purple. I'm guessing she loves that purple. Give it up for Lauren. Next up we have Lucy. Oh, she's looking super cool in her pink feather boa and her blue sunglasses. Lucy's favourite colour is pink and when she grows up she would like to ride a bicycle to school. I give it up for Lucy. Next up we've got Isabella. Isabella's favourite colours, if you can probably guess, are pink and purple. And when she grows up she would like to be a horseback rider. That sounds pretty cool. So she's wearing a pink tutu with her purple feather boa and pink sunglasses. Everyone give it up for Isabella. Next up we've got Mara and Morgan. Mara is in grade 2 and when she grows up she would like to be a fashion designer. That fashion design workshop must have helped out. And Morgan's favourite colour is pink and when she grows up she'd like to be a ballerina. Give it up for Morgan and Mara. Lucy. So we've got Lucy. She's teamed up that pink polka dot tutu fantastically with a beautiful pink feather boa and some pink and silver beads. When she grows up, she wants to be a teacher and her favourite colour is pink. Next up we have Lauren. When Lauren grows up, she would like to be a dress designer and her favourite colour, believe it or not, is blue. But she's got lots of pink and purple on today and there's really cool black sunglasses. Give it up for Lauren. Next up we have Millie and Maya. Millie's favourite colour is purple, and she would like to be an artist when she grows up. Maggie's favourite colour is blue, and she would like to be a fashion designer. They're both wearing super cool feather boas, sunglasses, and their beads, and they match perfectly with their dresses. They're like opposites. They're wearing opposite clothes. I love it. Give it up for Millie and Maya. Next up, we have Alicia, looking super cool in her sunglasses and her pink feather bow, which matches perfectly with the beads in her hair. Her favourite colour is blue and pink, and when she grows up, she'd like to be a teacher. We've got a lot of teachers in this, future teachers. Mums and dads get saving for college. Next up, we've got Madison. Madison's looking super cool, all in pink. Her favourite colour though is purple, and when she grows up, Mums and dads and Madison get saving because she'd like to be a doctor. They'll be lucky to have her. She's wearing a beautiful pink feather boa with her pink sunglasses and her silver and purple beads. Give it up for Madison! She gives a lot of love to Madison. Next up, we've got Mia. Mia is rocking them blue sunglasses with that purple feather boa. Her favourite colour is light blue, and she would like to be a teacher when she grows up. We have so many teachers, future teachers. Give it up for Mia. Last but not least, we've got Olivia. Olivia looks super nice with her curly hair and her pink sunglasses. Her favourite colour is pink, and she would like to be an artist when she grows up. She's teamed her pink feather boa very nicely with her purple tutu. She's looking fabulous. Everyone give it up for Olivia. Okay, so the second experience that the girls had was our Barbie fashion design class. And what that entailed was they came along and they designed a dress specifically for their Barbie, and they're going to show you that today. So they're really proud of it. It's super cute, they're all super good. So you're going to see their Barbie dresses. So you ready, girls? How you cool? Let's hear it for the Barbie dresses. That's it, girls, make a line. We've got to hold up, we're stuck. Let's hear it again for those beautiful Barbie dresses. They're going to turn around and show you the other side. Guys. Some of these Barbies take a long time to get ready, you see. That's it. And turn around, girls, and show the other way. Lovely. These are amazing. So these girls designed these dresses themselves. I think we've definitely got a few future fashion designers. Are you ready, girls? So let's go and put your Barbie on the table. And head backstage. Very nice. So the last experience, other than the fashion design work, the fashion show, sorry, was the mermaid dance. So they came along, they learned a mermaid dance specifically designed for our Barbie Premium girls, and it's from the Mermaid Tale 2. So some of the girls already knew all the lyrics and some of the dance moves, which made my job a lot easier. So what we're going to do now is we're going to bring the girls out and they're going to showcase the dance they learned in the Barbie Mermaid dance. Are you ready, girls? They're going to come out. Here they come. The mermaid. Ready? Big Barbie smiles.